Hello plant lovers, today we are reporting some succulent plants, that is snake plant, campfire and mother of thousand. Snake plant is a quiet confidence in leaf form with its tall sculptural leaves and clean lines. It brings a structure and calm into any space. It doesn't ask for much attention, yet it always shows up looking sharp. Beyond logs, snake plant helps freshen indoor air and releases oxygen at night, making it a natural fit for bedroom and working space. It is strong, upright growth also makes room feel organized and balanced even in a smaller space. Let's talk about the campfire plant. The campfire plant is a burst of warmth captured in the leaves. It is a striking blend of green, yellow and fried tips, bringing instant life to any room, like a small flame glowing quietly on your window. The color deepens in bright light, turning the part into a living ancient piece that changes with the sun. Indoor campfire plant stays compact and neat, making it a perfect for desks, shelves, and corners that need energy. It prefers light watering and good lighting, rewarding simple care with bold color and steady growth. More than just a decorative indoor plant, it lifts the moods of space, adding vibrancy without overwhelming it. The campfire plant is an ideal home that wants color, character and touch of natural drama in a simple stylish form. On to our last reporting plant is the mother of a thousand. The mother of a thousand plant is a nature's ideal abundance with a long textured leaf lined with a tiny baby plantlets. It carries life right on its edge. Its small growth has a potential to become a full plant, making it a powerful symbol of growth, resilience, and continuity in the home. It is highly adaptable indoor, thrives in bright light and minimal watering. It makes it a great choice for busy household and anyone new to plant care. Wiping the leaves and the plant after repotting is a small step that makes a big difference. It helps the plant breathe better, reduces pest and disease risk. Repotting can spread soil particles that carry pest and fungal. Wiping removes unwanted hikers early. It also prevents leaf stress. Wet soil splashes can burn or stain leaves. A gentle wipe keeps the plant comfortable and healthy. It also improves photosynthesis. Clean leaves absorb light more efficiently and helps the plant recover fast after